Hello students, welcome to the online summer camp of MCA Public School. Student, today we are going to perform some experiment with fun. Student, in this experiment we require very basic materials. For example, in first experiment we required only magnet. Student, as you know, magnet has two poles, south pole and north pole. And as you know, south pole repel south pole, north pole repel north pole, and south pole attract north pole and north pole attract south pole. So by this theory we can perform a very funny experiment. For example, like this. As you know, it will repel, so you can play like this with the magnets. Okay, you can play with two magnets, but as you know they attract the opposite poles, so here you will see they have attracted each other. Okay, but when we apply same pole they will repel each other. So by this we can play in our homes. Student, one more thing I want to tell you, if you want to know the poles of magnet, for example in this magnet pole is not indicated, so for this we can use another magnet in which poles are indicated. For example, in this magnet you will see this is north pole and this is south pole. So if you want to find the poles of other magnet, you can find it by using this magnet. Okay, if it is attracted towards the other magnet, means अगर ये एक दूसरे से जुड़ गए हैं, चिपक गए हैं, तो आप कह सकते हो this is north pole and this is south pole. But if they repel, okay, it means this, if this is north pole, so this is also a north pole. So by this we can perform some experiment, some funny experiment in our home. Okay student, now we will perform our second experiment. In this experiment we require some basic materials, for example candle, water, ENO and matchsticks. First of all we will put this candle in this beaker which is filled with water. Now we will light up this candle with the help of matchstick. Okay student, now we will add this ENO into the water. Okay student, now we will add this ENO into the water and you will find out that this candle will be put off. Student, now we will try to burn a matchstick over this solution. You will see it will put off. You know why? It is why, because when we add ENO into the water, carbon dioxide is produced, and as you know carbon dioxide does not support burning. For burning we require oxygen. So in this experiment we have produced carbon dioxide. Okay student, now we are going to perform our third experiment which is based on osmosis. For doing this experiment we need some materials like water, like munakka. We will use this munakka in this experiment. First of all we have to put some munakka in this water. Now we have to leave this for few hours. स्टूडेंट, कुछ घंटों के बाद आप देखेंगे कि जो इसमें थोड़ी स्वेलिंग आ चुकी होगी. It is because of endo-osmosis. Student, we have studied about osmosis in our higher classes. You know, in osmosis, liquid flow from one part to another part, means from higher concentration to lower concentration. और इसी वजह से यहाँ पे आपको इसमें swelling दिखाई दे रही है. आपको पता है कि we have two types of osmosis. First one is endo-osmosis and second one is exo-osmosis. So in this condition you will find out this is endo-osmosis. Okay, but if we squeeze it or if we leave it into the sunlight for some time, you will find out that it will perform exo-osmosis. वहाँ पे आपको exo-osmosis होता हुआ दिखेगा. तो ये हम अपने डेली लाइफ में रोज करते रहते हैं. हम कई बार बहुत सारे चीज़ों को पानी में या डिफरेंट सॉल्यूशंस में रखते हैं जिसके जहाँ पे आपको ऑस्मोसिस होता हुआ दिखता है. सो दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट वाज बेस्ड ऑन ऑस्मोसिस इन विच वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट 2 टाइप्स ऑफ ऑस्मोसिस, इंडोऑस्मोसिस एंड एक्सोऑस्मोसिस, एंड इन दिस कंडीशन वी हैव फाइंड आउट दैट इट इंडोऑस्मोसिस इज गोइंग ऑन. So student, like this we can perform various experiment in our home which is funny also, which require very basic materials. So हम आपको चाहते हैं कि आप कुछ और भी experiment करें और हमें WhatsApp पे वीडियो बना के सेंड करें. Now we will like to